Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert accent mark in Word. Okay, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. So here I have some sample, like if I get cafe. Okay, so I want to insert in the accent mark. Okay, so how you can do that? You go to the insert and go to the symbols. In symbol, go to the modes. In modes, go to the add correction and make sure go to the match auto correction and tick on it and just click on it. And okay, and go to okay. Okay, now you have to go in normal text and come here and select accent mark as per requirement. So you can see Latin accent here. So if I insert this, I can check here. Okay, so guys, from here you can insert accent mark, as per requirement. Okay, so if I insert this accent, okay, so I don't have knowledge about accent mark, but I can show you how you can insert accent mark. So here, so make sure you have to select the normal text, and from here you can find out the accent mark. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.